Imagine this. You wake up energized, ready to conquer your to-do list. But by lunchtime, your motivation has waned. Even simple decisions like what to eat or what to wear have drained you. By the end of the day, you're mentally exhausted, feeling like you've run a marathon. You're not alone. This is the silent drain of decision fatigue. Every day we make countless choices, big and small, but have you ever noticed that these decisions, especially the small ones, can be mentally exhausting? You're not losing your mind. You're experiencing decision fatigue. It's a real phenomenon and you're not alone in feeling this. Powerful executives and busy parents experience it too. But why does choosing feel so draining? To answer that question, let's look at the science behind decision fatigue. Our brain is a supercomputer that runs on electricity. When we wake up, it's fully charged and ready to go. As we start our day, we begin making decisions. Every choice uses up some of our brain's energy. Some decisions require more energy than others. For example, choosing a career path or what to eat requires less energy than deciding whether to pursue a risky investment opportunity. But here's the catch. Our brain doesn't get a break between decisions. Each choice, big or small, uses up our mental energy. By the end of the day, our brain is often completely drained. This is decision fatigue. You may be thinking, I don't have time for this. Aren't these minor decisions better than important ones? Not really. Our brain treats every decision as if it were important. That's why even small decisions can be exhausting. So what can we do about it? Here are 3 practical strategies to help you reclaim your mental clarity and make decisions effectively. 1. Understand your energy levels. Just like your phone, your brain needs recharging. Understand your energy levels throughout the day and use that knowledge to make decisions. For example, if you know you're low on energy in the afternoon, save your important decisions for the morning when your brain is fresh. Number 2. Take breaks. Your brain needs breaks to recharge. Schedule breaks into your day to rest and recharge. During your break, do something enjoyable to clear your mind and return feeling refreshed. Number 3. Automate decisions. You can automate many daily decisions to conserve mental energy. For example, set up automatic bill payments or decide on a meal plan for the week. By automating routine decisions, you free up mental energy for more important choices. Remember, you're not alone in facing this silent drain. By understanding decision fatigue and implementing these strategies, you can protect your mental energy and make better decisions every day. So take a moment today to appreciate the incredible machine that is your brain. And remember that even small choices can have a big impact on your energy levels. By working with your brain, not against it, you can achieve your goals while feeling energized and focused.